Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're gonna add a timer to our AI. So with that said, let's code this. Alright, so let's get started. And like I said in the beginning of the video, we're gonna add a quick timer over here for our game. And it's gonna be a pretty easy and fast video. I'm just gonna have a lot of time left, but just get to that part. So I'm gonna come over here and create a new variable. I'm gonna call it AI timer. And I'm gonna define my space over here and comment it out over here. It's gonna be CC. And how this timer is gonna work. So let me comment this with how it's gonna work. This timer will decrement itself till it reaches 0. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna store this variable space, define our space over here for value, and you're gonna decrement itself. And while it's not while it's a positive value, since you're gonna decrement it, let's say 50, decrement it all the way to 0, and then it's gonna go negative. So while it's a positive value, our player, well, not our player, our AI is not going to move, because if you see it right over here, he just right away goes towards the ball. And even when he throws the ball, as you see over here, he just go right away for it. So let's just keep this timer so we can make this AI a little bit more believable. So we have our variable over here. So let's come down here and create the timer, which is going to be easy. And let's see, let me change the comment over here. So here's going to be current timer, and here I just want to call it timers so you can keep track of it. Timers. Let me fix this. Fix this over here. Okay, so here's our current timer. Come over here, and here's going to be our AI timer. And I don't really like the name AI timer because you can put whatever value. But for now, let's just keep it as that. So our time is going to be pretty easy. We're going to load our AI timer variable. And now that we have this loaded, we can check for its processor flag status. And like I said on the description, while it's 0, I don't want to do anything, so I'm gonna call skip AI timer. Let me copy this, put it come over here. Otherwise, all we're doing is decrement its value over here. And remember that 0 is still considered positive. So even though it's 0, it's not going to be minus, but as soon as it overflows to our FF value, then it's going to just skip over here. So that's pretty easy. It's pretty quick and easy timer over here. So let's now come to the part where we need, and it's pretty much when the player throws the ball over here. Oh, let me throw this, and you see as soon as I throw, the player is already chasing the ball right away. So see, so let's give that timer to that player so it can relax a little bit and seem a little bit more believable. So I already have highlighted over here. I can just Control F to go to the part. So player has ball, so come over here and let's just load a for value. Let's say has ball weight. AI has ball weight. And this is going to be pretty fast, so store that to AI timer. AI timer has ball. So let me just, and since this doesn't take a lot of instructions, I don't need to do a check if it's AI or not. So it's pretty simple. So let's just keep it over here, give it a comment, AI set the timer, set the wait timer, something like that. So here AI timer has ball, so let's come here under our constant values and let's put this over here. Oh, has ball. And what value you want to put it? Let's start with half a second, 30 frames. Let me save. And now we have that save. Let's see if there's no errors. Perfect. So let's come down all the way over here under our, well, it can be either over here under our AI move, or you can do before we do that. So let me just come try before for now. And where is it? So player 1. Should I do it over there? I'm conflicted. Yeah, let's just do down here under AI move, since I feel like it's part of this instead of the part upstairs. So let's come over here and we're gonna load our AI timer and branch while on plus. Come over here, so continue AI move, otherwise they're just gonna leave this area over here. So if some minus, we're gonna continue, otherwise we're gonna jump. If it's a positive value, it's still within the timer, and then we just wanna to get out of here. So how are we doing? Actually, just to make sure, just gonna put this part over here so no errors happens. So come over here, comment over here, AI timer, and jump all the way down, which is our AI store over here. All right, so let's save, see if there's no error. So let's try this. Oh, let me try this out 1 second. All right, so what I'm gonna do, come back over here. Instead of going to all the way down to this AI store, I'm just gonna come over here and call it AI exit AI move, so I don't have to go over all of this. Copy, save, and like I said, just jump into this part to this part, save. Now if I run it, now the bug's not there anymore. As you see, I throw, and here relax a little bit over here, and it's still working perfectly fine. So now the seems a little bit more believable, and as you see, it's already a little bit easier to work with than before, because before the player is going so fast, but it's still a little bit hard over here. So let me close this, save what I have. And let me see, how long is this video? So 90 minutes. So that's gonna pretty much gonna end the video over here. And in the next video, I want to work with our perfect movement over here. I'm just gonna probably, not sure if we're gonna add another zone and have that value be, we're gonna use a random value over here to offset our character movement, so it doesn't be perfect to the exact same spot. So I don't know if I'm gonna have like 2 zones or just gonna use one random part, but we're gonna work that out on the next video. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.